Dr. Fletcher back with a Motivational Monday from Thrive. Here today from the Thrive Kitchen. The month of April, we have been focusing on your GI health. And no topic presentation on your GI health would be complete without a couple words about the key essential amino acid called glutamine. Glutamine is the primary fuel source for your GI cells, which are called enterocytes or colonocytes. It is a very critical nutrient that helps with repair, with proliferation of cells in the GI lining, which turns over about every 48 hours, and it is helpful in repairing that mucosal border. We know in more current studies with our vast research looking at microbiome, as well as now more clinical trials looking at the role of intestinal barrier function. When this breaks down, this is known in layman's terms as leaky gut, and we would call this intestinal permeability. Your intestinal lining is home of a vast majority of your immune system, and it serves as a huge barrier to protecting the outside things that enter your GI tract from creating inflammation and immune types of reactions. So we know that glutamine is very essential here. There have been a number of studies looking at the role of glutamine, particularly in using it in clinical trials in patients who have struggled with irritable bowel syndrome by using doses of 5 grams of glutamine 3 times a day to lower their IBS severity score by up to 50 points. Glutamine has also been used looking in clinical trials for Crohn's patients, as well as looking at cancer treatment patients for esophageal cancer. So we would encourage you to, if you're experiencing symptoms of leaky gut, to think about incorporating this nutrient. You can get glutamine also from bone broth. So that's another way to include it if you're someone who really doesn't enjoy doing supplements as much. Other nutrients that play a role in healing gut, although we're not highlighting these as much today, would be aloe, zinc L-carnosine, quercetin, many things. We'll have some immunoglobulins. Here's an example. And certainly we do and have in the past discussed the role of probiotics. When incorporating glutamine for healing your intestinal lining, your options would include using tablet form of 500 milligrams twice a day. And people who have quite severe symptoms, we will include dosages of 5 grams in a powder form that can be taken once daily. I like to put that in a shake or a smoothie. And it can be taken up to 3 times a day in a dose of 5 grams for people who have significant issues with gut health. So we look forward to sharing more with you about glutamine. I would welcome you to join us in the Facebook Live this week on Wednesday, where we will be talking a bit more about your nutrition and your food, your diet, and how you can use all of those nutrients in your diet to help to heal your gut. We hope you have a great week, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.